All right, so pulling up to Vitamin Shop. I'm gonna go and run in real fast and jump on this protein that my guy RH put me on. So RH, I appreciate you, brother. I'm gonna go in right now and get this protein and let you know how it is. RH, you the man. So definitely some incredible flavors. So this is fudge brownie. Looks like they have cookies and cream, and it looks like they have vanilla, regular chocolate. Okay, so chocolate, I don't even know, fudge brownie. All right, so cocoa pebbles, fruity pebbles. Wow. Let me try fudge brownie first and see how that works out.
You need a receipt?
No, that's all right. You can, yeah, email, right? I appreciate you, bro.
Have a good one, man.
Have a good one, all right?
See you, bro.
All right, see you, man. All right, so today's video is mainly I wanted to go pick up this new protein. One of my guys just basically told me to try out this ISO 100, and they have an incredible amount of like flavor. So I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna go in the kitchen. We're gonna go make the first shake that I'm gonna make with this and just see how it is. From what I can see, the calories are 120 miles per serving, so 120 calories is showing that is a serving size, 1 scoop. So 1 scoop is 32 grams. So of course I would do 2 scoops. But as far as how clean this is, it looks pretty good. It looks like total fats 0.5 grams, saturated fat 0 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 4%. It's 10 milligrams. Sodium sodium is 8%, not too bad. But the total carbs on this 1%, and protein is at 50%. So not super bad, not super not super clean, just right in the middle. And it does contain milk and soy, so that's where it can kind of get a little bad, but that's okay. But for the most part, it looks like it's pretty clean. It does have some nice packaging. This one is the fudge brownie. What I wanted to do was get something that I could use with water. I'm gonna go try it with milk first. We're gonna go use milk and see how it comes out. I just kind of want to just get it in my shaker cup and just use some milk with it and 2 scoops and just see how it is. So we'll do that in a minute. But I'm excited about this. If I do like this protein, I definitely want to try the other flavors that they have. They have like fruity pebble, they have vanilla, they have chocolate, and of course fudge brownie is what I have here. But just a variety of different flavors. So I'm excited about that. But about the workout today was a set of squats. I wasn't going too crazy with the squats. I did a few sets. One of the sets, I thought I was filming. I was not recording. A guy that knows me, he started talking to me and it kind of threw me off. So I didn't get to record that set, but I kind of did. That set was pretty good. I did, I think, a couple of reps up high. So when I went to the 225, I could just do slow reps and just make each rep count with each squeeze up top. But I wanted to just get the the squats underway. It had been some time since I've been able to go to my personal gym. It's been a while. I don't even know if I've been to my personal gym anytime this year. Maybe once. I think maybe once in January. That's right. Once in January I was able to go to the gym. But I have not had many days off. Most of my days that I have off, I've been working. So today was like a day where I just wanted to rest, but I knew I had to get out because it's going to be a while before I'm off again. So I had to get out of the house and make 2 videos. The video for this fitness channel, and of course, a video for my car channel. Today was a shoot for 2 videos, and like I said, I'm just grinding. It's like I'm trying to grind. I'm trying to make as much money as I can. It's just this relentless pursuit of financial success. I just have this burning desire to be as successful as possible. So this is just a quick video of me doing some squats. Like I said, I didn't go too heavy. I think the most I got up to was like 225, and I had just did squats a few days before that. Like I tell people, you cannot go heavy all the time, especially when you're doing big compounds like what I do, like with these squats and these deadlifts. You can't go heavy all the time. You can go heavy one or two of the days, and then after that you need to drop it down and just get the weight at a moderate weight where it's kind of heavy but not too heavy, where you can get full range of motion and really just contract the muscles when you get to the top of the movement. So let's go check out how this protein mixes up. Let's go check out the consistency of it, and I want to see what the taste is, and then I'll let you guys know. All right, so I just want to break this packaging just to see how, on camera, just to see how this looks for the first time. So of course you got your seal here. This seal should be an actual seal under this top also. So top here, and of course another seal on top. What I usually do is just hit it like this a couple times. So for years I've used BSN, and I've used a lot of different proteins over the years. So I love trying new proteins. I love trying new whey proteins. Just so you can see, this is the protein that is one of my all-time favorites right here, True Mass by BSN. Pretty much done with that. It's a little bit left. And I've had this protein also. Did a video on it, but I didn't care for how the video came out, so I deleted it. But anyways, Garden of Life, organic plant-based protein. I have this chocolate, and I have a vanilla down here also. So this is what I love doing, trying proteins. This one I have to finish too. It's full right now. This one's pretty much full. This one's pretty much already empty. This is the chocolate, and this is the vanilla. So I still have to use this. And like I said, this is one of my all-time favorites, BSN right here, True Mass. And the taste on it is incredible. Now, as far as the taste on this, we're gonna see right now, my guy RH said it's really, really good. So the scoop is a red scoop, which I like, pretty unique. So of course, just my shaker cup that I'm using right here. I'm gonna use this shaker cup. I'm gonna put 2 scoops. It's 32 grams per scoop. So there's 1. And there's 2. Scoop back in. Put the protein to the back. So now for the milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so I use lactate milk. So if I was on a go, if I was at work or something like that, I would just use water, but I like to see how it tastes with milk first, so I can kind of get an idea on just how great the taste is, and I want to see how well the consistency is, how it shakes up, how it blends up. You know, if it's clunky, if you have to actually, because a lot of these things, these proteins, you have to use a blender if you really want to get fine-tuned. But with this one, I just want to see what the taste is with a liquid in just a shaker cup. And then I'll try it with water, and I'll let you guys know. And then I also want to, use my blender. I didn't pull it out today. I'm just using my shaker cup, but with my blender, I can put peanut butter in, a banana, some ice cubes, of course, the lactate milk, and the 2 scoops of protein. That's a recipe. With this chocolate fudge, of course, with the regular chocolate one, I can do the same thing. And I'm assuming with those other flavors that they have, the cocoa pebbles and the fruity pebbles, it's sweeter. So just with water, those would probably be pretty good. And of course with milk, I'm sure it'll taste like you're drinking the cereal milk from the actual cereals themselves. So let me shake this up. All right, so I'm shaking it up, trying to make sure. Sometimes I can feel when, a protein shakes up real good just from how it feels. It'll feel like it's not too clumpy. It'll let me know. So right now I'm getting a little pressure with this one, so let's just see. But this should be mixed up pretty good. Let's just see how it tastes. Wow. The taste is off the charts. Yo, RH, man, you the man for this. Wow, man. Incredible taste. All right. On a scale from 1 to 10, I'm going to give this a 20. The taste is off the charts. to me, even better taste than the BSN. Even better. That BSN True Mass is off the charts when it comes to flavor, and this is like that on steroids. It's like even better. Like, wow. So I'm telling you, I would give this a high rated 20 out of 1 out of 10. I'm giving this a 20. I'm doubling the 10. All right, making it 20. Very good taste. Highly recommended. So let's just see how well it does as far as performance.